Well, the Moroccan Consular Court, it's an organ of the Empire of Morocco. And, what makes this court so important, when the Europeans, when they signed, the several treaties, the Act of Algiers, Treaty of Madrid, the United States Treaty of Peace and Friendship, they agreed to let our Moroccan Consular Court have criminal and civil jurisdiction over them, any disputes, just pretty much in general. And that court allows us to prosecute them in the same way that they prosecute us when they violate the treaties. And, the Empire of Morocco is the only country on planet Earth who has this agreement with them. This is really one of the reasons you see so much chaos on planet Earth, because we've been missing. But according to the treaties, when they first came, to explore these new lands, they agreed to this. And our position was to govern over them, to keep down disputes. As you see Ukraine and Russia, Israel and Palestine, if we were in position, those would be wars that we would be able to mediate, right? In the Act of Algiers, we have governance or authority over weapons of mass destruction and weapons of sport. And, we're supposed to issue permits for those particular weapons. So, we were the Moroccan Empire, where it was in place, we would issue permits. We would know who has what nuclear weapons and who doesn't, that they have. So, and if anyone violated any of those articles out the treaties, then the Moroccan Consular Court could step in and make a ruling or a judgment. And especially in our case, Moors that's on the land, we're actually not supposed to be going to their courts, any of their domestic courts. The Treaty of Peace and Friendship states, if it's a dispute between an American and a Moroccan, Consular Court is the proper venue to hear the case. Well, again, we've been missing. So most, blacks, African Americans, or even Moors that understand that they're Moors, if they have any issue with a domestic court, you see them going to a domestic court. So the Empire of Morocco's court, Consular Court, that court is important because it gives us, the last say-so over violations of the treaties and any other Moroccan law, that may be made. But the most important part is any dispute between a Moroccan and an American, the Empire of Morocco, it governs over that particular dispute.